Let's crochet it. Hi, welcome to the first episode of Let's Crochet It, a video series where I plan to cover all my crochet hacks and patterns. In today's episode, I will show you how to crochet your own baby rattle inserts. It's actually quite easy to make and completely customizable. This crochet video will be most useful for crocheters like me who have had difficulty in sourcing affordable rattle inserts. So, let's crochet it. For this crochet project, you will need leftover cotton yarn, preferably in the color that you will be using for your baby rattle project. I'm using yellow yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, 2 to 3 small bells or beads, a sewing needle, a stitch marker, and a little fiber fill if required. Before I begin, please note you can use any yarn and hook to crochet this project. Today, I'm going to be making a ball-shaped baby rattle insert. Begin by making a magic ring. Although I will go slow, but if you are an absolute beginner, I suggest check out videos on how to make a magic ring and crochet basic stitches. In round 1, crochet 6 single stitches in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. Once you have crocheted the 6 single stitches, tightly shut the magic ring by pulling on the leftover yarn in the beginning. In this pattern, we will be working in continuous rows. In round 2, make an increase in each stitch, that is 2 stitches in each of the 6 stitches, bringing your total stitch count to 12 single stitches. It may be difficult to get into the first stitch. If you want, you can add a stitch marker in the first stitches of this round like me. It makes it easy to keep track of the stitch count at the end of the row. Make 2 stitches in each stitch of the 6 stitches so that you have a total of 12 stitches at the end of the row. Moving on to round 3, make 1 single stitch and 1 increase, that is 2 stitches in every second stitch 6 times, bringing your total to 18 stitches. 1, and now add 2 stitches in the second stitch. that is round 4, 5 and 6. Simply crochet one single stitch in each stitch. So there should be 18 stitches in each of the next 3 rounds. Going on to round number 5. Now we are at round number 6. Make sure by the end of this round you have 18 stitches in total. Your ball should look like this by the end of the 6th round. Moving on to the 7th round, now we will start decreasing and closing the ball. Start with one single stitch and one decrease, combining the next 2 stitches. Do this for a total of 6 times to bring back the total count to 12 stitches in a row. I made a mistake here. I may have made a mistake in this row, but please ensure that you continue with one stitch and one decrease to bring back the total to 12 stitches. Once you have completed round 7, now it's time to insert the bells or beads inside the ball. If you want, you can add fiber fill here to give the ball a more rounded shape. You can always check whether the rattles are still making noise. I've decided to skip adding the fiber fill. Now we will continue to decrease. In round number 8, make a decrease 6 times to get to a total of 6 stitches. Now one can also directly insert the bills in your rattle. However, I just found this a more safe and secure way of adding these elements into the baby rattle. So it's your choice if you want to make an insert or directly insert the bells or beads inside the baby rattle. Once done, cut the yarn. Make sure to leave enough yarn so you can secure the magic ring. Use a sewing needle to close the baby rattle insert using the pass the yarn through the front loops of each of the 6 remaining stitches. And pull the yarn, the magic ring shut. Congrats! You now know how to crochet a baby rattle insert by yourself. Remember, you can customize this design based off how you are creating your rattle. You can insert the bells in a shape that is like a cube or even a pipe. Hope you found this crochet hack useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more crochet hacks and patterns. Happy crocheting!